Alright, let's keep this trainer rolling. After doing a decent reacts video to the artsy fartsy fox, this is your homeboy, the Manbaer pig, coming at you with another series of where I watch tunes, especially out there for my wee ones, my TikTokers, my Instagrammers, and my normies. Lately I've been getting a lot of YouTube strikes for doing the Looney Tunes and the Warner Brothers cartoons, but my kiddos know this, and now hopefully all of y'all do, that this is a slept on classic right here. And my three girls were raised up on Hanna-Barbera, Warner Brothers cartoons via Looney Tunes, Powerpuff Girls. I can name you a list about as long as my leg of cartoons that we used to watch, but definitely Super Chicken was a staple of their growing up. And we can recall this episode right here, so let's go get into it. It's Wild Bill Hiccup on Watchin Toonz.
When you find yourself in danger, when you're threatened by a stranger, when it looks like you will take a licking, there is someone waiting who will hurry up and rescue you. Just call for Super Chicken. But if you're afraid, you'll have to overlook it. Besides, you knew the job was dangerous when you took it. He will drink his super sauce and throw the bad guys for a loss, and he will bring them in alive and kicking. There is one thing you should learn when there is no one else to turn to. Call for Super Chicken. Call for Super Chicken.
I love that.
Our story opens aboard Receding Airlines Flight 17 from Dodge City to Denver.
Alright everybody, rage. This here's a stick-up.
Arthur dear, the movie's on.
Movie?
Another Western?
I ain't no movie, mister.
Then you are the ugliest stewardess I ever saw. And almost the meanest.
Now put all your valuables in this here hat.
The plane robber passed along the aisle collecting money, watches, rings, and after-dinner mints. And when he was through...
Now keep them seatbelts fastened till I'm gone, you hear me?
One thing I always wondered, when this guy jumped out the plane with all the booty, yeah, he has booty on his head. That's what they called the loot, the treasure, the, whatever he robbed somebody. Whatever got me is that when he was, jumping out the plane, not only was he minus a freaking parachute, I think, but he's also, got all that booty on his head. How does it stay in the hat while he's falling out of the plane? Let me know in the chat.
Geronimo!
Obviously, this is a play on...
Man, he's going away and we didn't even get his name.
Do you suppose it was you-know-who?
John Wayne?
It weren't. Hiccup's the name. Wild Ralph Hiccup.
The daring bat...
I mean, even though he did held his cap, I think he may have lost a watch or a billfold or maybe even a chain on the way down. Love this cartoon, especially how I used to watch westerns with John Wayne, and that's who they actually are making fun of in this picture. Yeah, I grew up on the John Waynes and the Clint Eastwoods and your Lee Marvins. Yeah, I'm really showing my age, but you know what? If y'all really want to see a cool western and see how it was done, check out them old black and whites. But yeah, as we notice, the guy falling, he's about to freaking meet his little cohort on the ground. But let's see if the cohort is going to follow through with the plan, shall we?
Bandit had planned his getaway jump with
Hoss.
pinpoint accuracy.
I think you ought to know, Hoss. I don't take kindly to that.
On flight after flight, Wild Ralph Hiccup struck again.
Sit still or I'm gonna shoot somebody. Maybe me. Geronimo! One of these days, Hoss, you and me's gonna have a little talk.
News of the robberies finally reached Miami, vacation playground of Henry Cabot Henhouse III, better known
Facts. Miami still looks like that to this day.
as
For you.
Super Chicken. Look at that Super Chicken.
Please, Fred.
Fred, you knew the job was dangerous when you took it.
When I'm not on the sauce, call me
Henry.
Mr. Henhouse.
Mr. Henhouse? Boy, you sure know how to hurt a guy.
You knew the job was dangerous when you took it, Fred. Wild Ralph Hiccup is robbing planes again. This looks like a job for
Mr. Henhouse.
Fred.
Oh, all right. For Super Chicken.
Right. You get the sand pail and the rubber ducky, and I'll change in the cabana.
Here's
the super sauce. What's the matter?
Got sand in it, Fred, and...
The super sauce took effect and the mild-mannered fowl was changed into Super Chicken.
Come on, Fred. We've got to catch a plane.
Roger Wilcox.
Disguised as Super Chicken and Fred, Super Chicken and Fred flew back and forth from Miami to Cedar Rapids for 4 straight days.
And I've got enough tickets for 26 more trips, too.
How come we're clear back in the economy section, Super Chicken?
Just be glad we have seats, Fred.
How come?
Did you ever try to book space for a chicken and a lion?
Then at that moment,
All right, folksies. Just put your valuables in the hat.
I wonder why.
Probably for safekeeping, Fred. They can't be too careful with all those robberies going on.
Now, don't nobody follow me or I'm gonna shoot. And my name ain't Wild Ralph Hiccup.
Wild Ralph Hiccup?
We've been robbed.
Don't make a scene, Fred. Things are embarrassing enough. After him! Better give up, Ralph. We've got you cornered.
Super Chicken. You'll never get me.
Stop that. Somebody could get hurt.
Which reminds me, how do we keep from getting hurt when we hit the ground?
Well, I used my super brain, Fred.
Yes?
I brought a parachute.
Just one? You
knew the job was dangerous when you took it.
I know. I thought you were going to speak to him about that. He's getting away.
No, he's not. Get on my back, Fred. There's not a horse alive that can outrun Super Chicken.
Whoa, now, easy, big fella. Well, what are you waiting for?
You're supposed to say giddy up.
Sorry, giddy up.
and the mighty chicken streaked across the plain.
Hi-yo, chicken! Away!
We can corner him on the cliff.
Sure enough, Wild Ralph Hiccup was trapped at the edge of Breakneck Cliff.
Super Chicken, why didn't you stop?
You didn't say whoa.
All right. Whoa, whoa!
It's a little late now, Fred.
Quickly picking up the trail again, Super Chicken tracked Wild Ralph Hiccup to the little western town of Soapwater.
The chicken says he'll meet you in the street
Soapwater, which is right next to Frog's Bowl.
at high noon.
Well then, he's a goner because I'm the fastest gun in the West.
No kidding.
I'll show you. Just keep your...
Check this gag out. And you know what? I don't know. I don't think you would freaking hold up to Yosemite Sam. I think he was the fastest gun in the West. But check this out. Good little money gag. Let's check it. Let's look into this one. Always gets me and the kids rolling.
Keep your eye on this coin.
Ooh!
Let that be a lesson to you. Never trust a man who throws money around.
It was now high noon, and the fastest gun in the West went out to meet the fastest chicken in Pittsburgh. Tension filled the air like peanut brittle. Then Wild Ralph made his play.
I'll tell you what. I'll flip a coin to see who draws first.
No, let me flip Fred instead.
And while the amazed bandit watched Fred flip, Super Chicken drew back his super fist.
Head. I win.
Wild Ralph was knocked across the street and into a handy jail cell.
But Super Chicken, I didn't even see you hit it.
Because he hit him with his butt feathers.
That was my super punch, Fred. It travels too fast for the eye to follow. Took you by surprise, didn't it, Ralph?
Surprise. You could have knocked me down with a feather.
I did.
A butt
And
feather.
now we go home, right, Cassius? Super Chicken?
No, Fred. I still have 26 more tickets from Miami to Cedar Rapids. We can't let them go to waste.
Oh, boy.
Once again, the nation's airways have been made safe for democracy. So when you hear that cry in the sky, you'll know Super Chicken has 3 more trips to go.
Want to thank everybody for tuning into the show. Much love and respect. If you like what I'm doing here on the channel, give a like, comment, and subscribe. Also check Artsy Fartsy Fox on YouTube as well. And like I always say at the end of the show, kiddies, same pig time, same pig channel, Watchin Toonz.